Hey, welcome back to ClearSpot. I analyzed 200 solar performance reports from the past 12 months. 92% of them reported performance ratio above 85%. Sounds good, right? Wrong. Because performance ratio is the most misleading metric in solar operations. Here's why. Performance ratio compares actual output to expected output based on your original design assumptions. But those assumptions are often wrong. Your design assumed 4.5 peak sun hours daily. Reality? You're getting 4.1. Your design assumed 0.5% annual degradation. Reality? Some strings are degrading at 1.8%. Your report says PR equals 87%, which looks healthy. But you're actually underperforming by 14% compared to what the site should produce given real conditions. Today, I'm exposing the metrics that actually matter. Performance ratio is calculated as actual KT weight divided by nameplate capacity, times irradiance times performance factors. The problem? The performance factors are based on 5-year-old engineering estimates. They don't account for real-world conditions. Soiling rates higher than modeled, inverter efficiency degradation, string level imbalances, actual versus modeled shading. So your 87% PR might sound acceptable, but if your true potential is 95% given current conditions, you're losing 8% production. That's 200K to 400K annually on a 50 millibar farm. The metric hides the problem instead of revealing it. You're thinking, performance ratio is an industry standard, everyone uses it. Are you saying the entire industry is wrong? Not wrong, just incomplete. PR is useful for comparing sites or tracking year-over-year trends, but it's not useful for identifying operational losses because it measures against outdated assumptions, not current reality. You need real-time benchmarks that adjust for actual weather, actual equipment age, actual soiling rates. Here's what to measure instead. Metric number 1, string level efficiency variance. Compare each string's output to the site average under identical conditions. Strings performing 5% below average, flag for inspection. This catches localized issues. PR ignores. Metric number 2, weather-adjusted production. Use real-time irradiance, temperature, and wind data to calculate what your site should produce today, not what the 2019 engineering model predicted. Compare actual versus weather-adjusted expected. This reveals real underperformance. Metric number 3, energy yield per watt installed. Track kWh per kWp monthly. If it's declining faster than your degradation model, so 0.5% per year, you have operational issues, not just aging equipment. Metric number 4, availability-weighted performance. Don't just measure uptime, measure productive uptime, hours where the site was online and producing within 90% of expected output. A site that's online but producing 60% due to inverter faults isn't really available. We've exposed why performance ratio misleads by using outdated assumptions. The fix? Real-time, condition-adjusted metrics that reveal true operational losses. Your performance reports are probably showing green. But green doesn't mean optimized. It means meeting outdated expectations. You need to know, what is your site capable of producing under current conditions? And how much are you missing that target? Schedule a free performance reality check. We'll analyze 12 months of your production data, compare it to weather-adjusted models, run string-level variance analysis, and show you the real performance gap. For most 50 to 100 MW portfolios, this reveals 5 to 12% hidden underperformance worth 300K to 800K annually. Book your reality check. First 35 operators get a detailed performance forensics report. Like, share, and subscribe for more solar insights. ClearSpot. Smart device, smarter decisions.